Hi guys, in today's video we're going to utilize another case study trying BART AI to give us the best results, and I'm going to show you a couple of new prompts simply to get the most value possible. So in today's case study we're going to review and we're going to ask BART AI to create a growth strategy for our social medias. We're going to ask to create a growth strategy for TikTok, for a finance news channel, and we have to get 10,000 followers in the next 30 days. Please advise the steps and the plan. I think this is going to be an amazing piece of content, guys, because a lot of people wants to join the Creativity Beta program, but they don't know how. This is it. Okay, this video is gold. You want to save this video and share this video with friends. According to BART AI, first of all, you want to get to know your audience, identify your ideal viewer. Okay. Second, content pillars: finance simplified, break down complex financial concepts into a very simple, very funny way that anyone would understand. Explain terms like inflation or diversification in a fun, informative way. Market updates and trends: share quick daily or weekly updates of major financial news. Financial tips and tricks: essentially they want us to provide some advice, budgeting, saving, investing, basic things. Show simple hacks and actionable steps that anyone can implement. Interactive elements: simply they want you to engage with the viewer by running polls, asking questions, challenge the viewers. Also they want us to humanize the finance world, meaning show the faces behind the channel, feature your team if you have team, of course. Content creation and posting: this is probably the most important part, the schedule. So aim for 2-3 daily posts during the peak engagement hours. I have plenty of videos, guys, to show you when is the best time to post on all of the social media platforms. I show you where to look and how you can actually place your content at the right time. They also ask us to utilize trending sounds and hashtags. Okay. Experiment with video formats: tutorials, explainers, skits, interviews, behind the scenes. That's a cool idea, actually. High quality production: invest in good lighting, audio, visuals, and create professional looking content. Engaging: respond to comments, run contests and giveaways. That's also very, very popular. Collaborate with others, live Q&A, paid advertisement, tracking and analyzing. Bonus tips: showcase success stories, promote across other platforms, stay informative, not manipulative, avoid clickbait or sensationalized headlines. Remember, reaching 10,000 followers in 30 days, it's an ambitious goal. Consistent high-quality content, audience engagement, and strategic executions are essential. I think this is a very good plan, guys. Not crazy detailed, of course. I would say 6 out of 10, but I would say that this is pretty actionable. Anyone can read this and scratch their head and start working on the plan. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.